One kills with a single bite. The other survives by never being caught. If they met, only one would leave alive. 66 million years ago, the Earth trembled under giants. Dense forests covered the land, hiding shadows that moved with purpose. Every step, every sound, meant survival or death. Among these creatures, two stood at opposite extremes of evolution. One was built for destruction, the other for escape. The deadliest predator, Tyrannosaurus Rex, a living weapon with a bite force stronger than any land animal in history. The fastest dinosaur, Ornithomimus, a lightweight runner built like a biological machine for speed, capable of outrunning almost anything. But what happens when unstoppable power meets untouchable speed? At first glance, the outcome seems obvious. A giant versus a runner, strength versus speed. But fossils tell a more complicated story, because speed alone doesn't guarantee survival, and power alone doesn't guarantee a kill. Tyrannosaurus Rex wasn't just powerful, it was precise. Its forward-facing eyes gave it depth perception, allowing it to judge distance with terrifying accuracy. Its teeth weren't designed to slice, they were built to crush bone. Each bite could shatter skeletons instantly. Meanwhile, Ornithomimus evolved in a completely different direction. Long legs, lightweight bones, a body designed to maximize stride length and minimize energy loss. It likely reached speeds over 50 kilometers per hour, fast enough to escape most predators on open ground. But here's the problem. The prehistoric world wasn't always open. Forests were dense, visibility was limited, and predators didn't always chase. They ambushed. So the real question isn't just, can the fastest dinosaur run? It's, can it react in time? Imagine this, a quiet floodplain at dawn. Mist clings to the ground. A herd of small dinosaurs grazes peacefully. Among them, an Ornithomimus lifts its head. Something feels wrong. Then, silence. And suddenly, the ground explodes. Tyrannosaurus Rex didn't need to outrun its prey. It only needed one moment. One mistake. Studies suggest that TRex may have relied on ambush tactics, using cover and timing rather than pure speed. And when it struck, escape was nearly impossible. But Ornithomimus had one advantage: acceleration. It didn't just run fast, it could reach top speed quickly. Its long legs acted like springs, storing and releasing energy with every step. In an open chase, it might survive. But fossil evidence raises a chilling possibility. Some fast dinosaurs show signs of healed injuries, bite marks that didn't kill them, which means they were caught, and somehow they escaped. So even speed wasn't always enough. In a direct encounter, everything depends on distance. Too close, and the deadliest predator wins instantly. Far enough, and the fastest dinosaur disappears into the horizon. But nature rarely offers perfect conditions. And here's the twist. Tyrannosaurus Rex might not have been as slow as we once thought. Recent biomechanical studies suggest it could move faster than earlier estimates, possibly fast enough to close short distances rapidly. Not faster than Ornithomimus, but fast enough. The real deadliest weapon of Tyrannosaurus Rex wasn't its bite or its size. It was timing. Because in the prehistoric world, survival wasn't about being the strongest or the fastest. It was about being right at the exact moment it mattered. Paleontological evidence shows that predator-prey dynamics were complex. Not every hunt succeeded. not every escape worked. Fossils reveal injuries, healed bones, and failed attacks. Proof of constant struggle. In the end, the deadliest dinosaur didn't always win, and the fastest dinosaur didn't always escape. Because evolution never guarantees survival. It only gives you a chance. And sometimes, 1 second decides everything.